Are you curious about your rights but you don't know where to start? Let's explore the best law books that can really help you understand your rights as the common person. And we're going to explore 5 books, the best 5. Now, this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so let's get started. Now, look, understanding your rights is important in everyday life, but sometimes legal language can be confusing, making it hard to know what's really protected. So thankfully, there are some great books that, explain the law in a simple way that, everyone can understand. So, here are 5 law books for common man to understand their rights. Okay? First one, The Rights of the People by Thomas Paine. It's a classic that explains individual rights in simple language. The second one is called Know Your Rights by ACLU. It's a clear guide on understanding your civil rights and freedoms. All right? The third one is The Law of Everyday Life by Paul Bergman. It's a book that explains legal situations you may face in your daily life. The fourth one is Rights of Man by Thomas Paine. It's a foundational text that, shows the importance of individual rights and liberty. Then you have also Legal Rights by George H. Taylor. It's a simple, easy to read guide to understanding the basics of personal legal rights. Now, these books are going to help you better understand your rights, making you more confident when you're dealing with legal situations. And if you got some education from this little video, leave me a like. I love you.